Remember, every second counts. Don't worry. He'll be home soon. Now, let's go.
IHU 14S67102.
That's it, simple. What do you want?
14S01366.
Well done. Get him on out, yeah?
Hi, Dad, it's Martin. Listen, things have got a bit hectic at work, so I might be delayed a bit. But I'll see you later anyway. Cheers.
Okay. Okay. Yeah, talk to you then. Thanks. Bye-bye. I'll be playing football near the car, lads.
Son. Hey. All right.
Yeah.
Hey, come on.
Morning, you.
Now, some Rosie, eh?
Sorry, Dad, I just have to reply to this.
No, go on. Hey. Avocados, eh?
Sugar in this. Giving up sugar.
Though it will give way to a brighter day tomorrow that will see showers too. Now today there was plenty of warm
You hungry?
for the western and mostly for the eastern
Sorry?
Mediterranean.
Just saying you're hungry.
For southern Turkey,
No, I'm
and
right,
up
thanks.
through eastern and central parts of Europe. And tomorrow again, it's the northern part of the continent
But
that will see
team.
the bulk of the showers. Again, much of France will be cloudy and overcast, with showers and rain coming in from the Atlantic later tomorrow evening or night. And also unsettled up through parts of Norway.
Could be a rocky journey back.
With best temperatures in the high teens. Here at home overnight and tomorrow morning, we'll see the last of today's rain clear northeastwards, giving us a brighter day tomorrow, but showers will become widespread from the west through the afternoon.
Pigeons have been released from St. Malo at 6:30 per peak. 6:30. The pigeons have been released from St. Malo.
as I'm concerned, if we don't keep pressure on these guys, we're never gonna we won't be in a position where we're gonna be able to bid for this thing. And I'm afraid these guys are probably gonna Sorry, Steve, say again?
It's a crow!
Any sign?
Not yet.
Could be ages.
Oh, we have to wait.
The hours I wasted as a kid out here, just waiting. Dad, he's not coming tonight. Dad, would you ever come in before you catch your death?
Could be any minute now.
Sure, a hawk could have got him or anything by now.
He's on his way, I feel it.
Look, I'm not going to have time to look after you when you catch pneumonia, okay?
I won't be asking you.
Oh, God. Look, I have to be getting back. Work call. I can't help it, it's work.
Blackbird.
Okay, Dad, I'm away. I'll be back as soon as things settle down a bit.
Yeah.
Right, man. See ya.
Bye.
Here. What's that there?
It's him. It's Marty. I think he was mocking us. Come down, you devil. Come on.
Come on. Come on, every second counts. Here, I'll get this bean cap. Come on! Be calm. Come on! Come on! Come on! Come on! You're gonna come. Come on!
Come on, boy.
Come on! Easy, easy, Come on. Yeah, there we go. That's the one. Go home. Go home. Yes! Come on, son, let's do this! It's gotta be a winner. Show the fellas down the club, huh?
do is wait.